Unfortunately, the cold weather is now setting in here in Canada, and friends of the channel, Mott and Bo, have sent us up a huge box full of their fall and winter 2024 must-have staple pieces. I'm really excited to open it up and check it out, tell you guys all about it, and go through each of these pieces with you. Let's jump into it. Now, while I run through the unboxing, I should tell you a little bit about Mott and Bo in case you're not familiar with the brand. Mott and Bo has dedicated themselves to creating denim wear and also now a full line of clothing that is made extremely well, very well fitting, made with great quality materials, and has incredible stretch for a perfect fit. And that's the reason that I love wearing Mott and Bo products so much. You can wear their jeans for literally any occasion, whether it's to work or out all day for play. The stretch is unparalleled, and that means that they are just so comfortable. They are unbeatable. I've never worn another pair of jeans that comes even close to being as comfortable as Mott and Bo's. But today we're not just talking about Mott and Bo denim products. I've got a full heap of stuff here. And just like they did back in the summer collection, Mott and Bo has entered into another brand new market with their trucker jacket. And I'm going to try that on first. So this is their suede trucker jacket, and I've got it in a large. Normally I wear medium, but with jackets, I like to go a little bit larger just to be safe. And it's dark olive in color. This is their brand new addition to their lineup for this season for fall winter 2024. It is exceptionally comfortable and very warming. Lots of pockets, very utilitarian. Pockets on the inside, outside, top, and bottom. A great collar which can be popped up or left down for a versatile look. For a lot of people, this is going to be a really cool look, and I think it looks really, really nice. The hardware, the material is fantastic. Yes, it is pricey. However, if this is something that you are looking for, I can tell you wholeheartedly that Mott and Bo's quality is unparalleled, so it is going to stand the test of time. It's going to last just as long as that price tag merits that it should. Next, let's look at some of Mott and Bo's cashmere pieces. This is the Bergen sweater in size medium, as I usually wear, in forest green. This is a fantastic color for fall and winter. This is a great piece for layering, and the color is excellent for fall and winter vibes. Like with all of Mott and Bo's products, it fits very nicely. I will note that the cashmere products are maybe a little bit thin, so I typically wear these products with an undershirt just to make sure that there is no nipples or anything popping through that you might not want to have visible. Continuing on with the cashmere vibes, let's look at the Cashmere Hoodie. Again, size medium. This is their camel heather color. Same great fit as the Bergen sweater. The hood is really nice on this as well. Drawstrings in the front are nice and long. Again, this is a great piece to layer. All of the pieces that I'm going to be trying on today layer great, again, with that trucker jacket. But again, just like with the Bergen sweater, it is a little bit thin wearing, so I, again, would typically pair this with an undershirt. Now, I didn't say we weren't going to talk denim at all, so let's look at a pair of Mott and Bo's fantastic Slimstone jeans. This is a 32-34, and this is the medium dark gray color. As I said at the top of the video, Mott and Bo's stretch factor is unparalleled. These jeans are extremely comfortable, and you can see I'm jumping around, I'm stretching left, right, up and down, absolutely effortless. The darker tones in these jeans also pair quite nicely with the lighter tones in the camel heather hoodie. All in all, a great complementary piece. And last but not least, we can't do a Mott and Bo video without talking about their signature Driggs Tee. And this is a brand new color, again, for fall winter 2024, pistachio green. Like with all of the Driggs Tees, this is extremely easy to wear, perfect layering option. This is a very unique color, maybe not something I would go for, but I do think it pairs great with that trucker jacket, as you now see here. And I could definitely see me layering this under something like Mott and Bo's zip ups. It's a funky color if it's kind of your speed, or if you're into the greener tones, the earthier tones. You're gonna love the pistachio, and they do have a couple of other great new colors in the Driggs Tee line that you can check out on Mott and Bo's website as well. So guys, if you're in the market for some fresh t-shirts, denim products, cashmere sweaters, anything like that, jackets, boxer briefs, zip ups, Mott & Bow has you covered with everything you need for fall and winter 2024 styling. Check them out at the link at the top of the description below. And of course, be sure to use our exclusive coupon code down there as well for a discount on your order. Mott & Bow products do come with a little bit of a premium price tag, but trust me, I have sworn by their products long before I started working with them on a collaborative basis. I started out as a Mott & Bow customer. I was so thrilled with the product, and I'm so thrilled to be able to continue to work with them like I am now. Let me know down in the comments which of these pieces we tried on today was your favorite. I think this Bergen sweater in this green, and of course that jacket, are probably my two favorites, but let me know what yours are. Let's have a conversation as always. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.